Bit late, sorry. So we were going to go up E minor and I think down B minor because those are the two chords of our vamp. Or the 7th versions, minor 7th and B minor 7. So E minor, we're starting 7th fret A string, minor 3rd up to 10. And we're thinking, what we're trying to keep in mind is to finger it in such a way as not to trip over ourselves, right? So leading with index, ring finger on the G, sorry, that's a G note, 10th fret A, 7, 10, 9 on the D. That's our first octave, isn't it? So you could start off like that. And then we're going to go up to our next octave. I'm going to swing my middle finger up to grab that next third there. That's how we're describing the shape of the chord there. Oops. And then B minor starts on B, which is the 7th fret of the E string. Same. The first octave is exactly the same as fingered exactly the same as if your root was on the A string. So actually, if I pan down a bit, you can play B minor here, couldn't you? That's B root here, 2nd fret A, E, and B. Right? That's the exact same set of pitches, just with our root, our leading note, our beginning note, our tonic on the E string instead of the A string. So we're covering shapes or arpeggio positions off both strings. That's the idea. Now on this one, we're going to play the first octave in the same way, but because we're describing a different shape, we're going to finger it differently in the second octave. That's going to be index finger is going to grab 7 there, so that's 7, 10, 9 with middle, 9 with ring, index 7, 7, 7. You got all those 3 in a row. And you can see my picking hand. I'm using a pick and I'm playing all downstrokes at this tempo and only playing an upstroke on the very highest string as a sort of reset. So it's like down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Sorry. Am I doing it there? Yeah, so an upstroke on that one for B. Okay.